Ever wondered if AI could design a logo or icon as unique as your brand? Stick around because today we are diving into exciting world of AI powered design with Microsoft Designer. And guess what? I will show you how to create 3 stunning examples step by step. Let's get started. For accessing icon logo options, let's go to designer.microsoft.com and choose icons option. For our first example, let me give a prompt. Design a modern tech logo for a cloud storage company named SkyVault. It should have a sleek, minimalistic design incorporating a cloud and a vault icon in blue and white. Designer has auto-generated multiple options and all of them looks excellent. For our second example, let me give a prompt. Retro style coffee icon with warm tones featuring a steaming cup and clock elements. Designer has created one option. It is a nice retro coffee icon. Last but not least, let's create a minimalist personal branding logo using Designer. Imagine you are a freelance photographer named LensCraft. I'll give a prompt. Design a minimalist logo for LensCraft. It should include a camera lens and elegant typography in black and silver. So, 4 options are generated with nice lens elements as well. This is the power of collaboration between AI and your creativity. Designer gives you the blueprint and you are the architect. AI tools like Microsoft Designer are democratizing design, making creativity accessible to everyone. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe to B2Q Innovations for more awesome content. And don't forget to ring the bell for notification. See you in the next video. Thank you.